Hello everyone, how you doing? Thank you all of you for watching Sue and Gumbo. Today I'm going to show you how to make the garlic noodle. I have an 8-ounce noodle, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar, and 1 ounce cilantro. For the sauce, I use 3/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cooking wine, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and about half teaspoon of sesame oil, and half teaspoon of hot chili flake, and 2 tablespoon water, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay, so I'm going to make the sauce in it first. I put all the cooking wine, sugar, sesame oil, and hot chili paste, and some oyster sauce. Mix well. Then I'm going to mix it the cornstarch. Okay, then I'm going to turn on the wok. Put a little bit oil in it. I'm going to stir fry the garlic first. So I turn on the heat probably medium. Then I put all the noodles in it. I'm using the Chinese Cantonese noodle. So it doesn't matter what kind of noodle you use, you always follow what the packet told you what to do. And then I turn off the heat. Then I'm going to pour the vinegar and the sugar in it. Then mix. Then I turn on the heat again. Then I'm going to be slowly put some sauce in it. I'm going to cover it, so wait until they're boiling. Then I'm going to put some cornstarch in it. Okay, you see the water boiling right now? I'm going to put a little bit water with cornstarch in it. I think this is about it. Then I'm gonna put some cilantro in it. And mix. Then I turn off the heat. Okay, this is all done. done right there. So enjoy my garlic noodle and with the nice weather outside.